steps. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step. And you're gonna drag on the foot that has weight, which is your left foot. Drag, step, shuffle, step. Then a flange, rock, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, flange, step. So recall that a flange is a rock step, but you're kind of kicking up the free leg. Flange, step, rock, step, ball, step. So this foot is just, and the free leg is just kicking up. Sort of reminiscent of a cut in Irish, but without all the technique, without aiming for a point, no pointed toe, no specific height. So kind of like a sloppier version of a cut maybe, if you want to think of it that way. Okay, so we've got shuffle, step, shuffle, step, drag, step, shuffle, step, flange, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, flange, step. A little bit faster. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step,